rounding of two nearest tens. Like if I am having a number 84, so rounding off to nearest tens means you have to observe the ones place. So when you observe the ones place, if it is less than 5, then we will just discard it. So 84 will be rounded off to 80. Okay, like if it is 85, like if it is 5 or more than 5, then 1 will be added. So it becomes 90. Okay, so whenever we are talking about rounding off to nearest tens, so we have to observe the ones place. If ones place is less than 5, then the digit will be discarded, 0 will be put on the ones place.
Okay, ma'am, I understand.
If ones place is 5 or more than 5, then 1 will be added to the tens place. So 8 plus 1, then it becomes 90. Like if I tell you 86, then how can we round off 86? You can see the ones place is more than 5.
Ma'am, 90.
Yes, so it becomes 90. If I ask you round off 81 nearest to tens, how will you do it?
Ma'am, 80.
Yes, you will look at the ones place. So it is 1. So that is smaller than 5. So we will just discard it and put 0. So it is called rounding off of number to nearest tens. Okay, so I'm just giving you some examples to try, both of you. Are you ready?
Ma'am, Samarth is not answering something.
Okay, so I'm writing some questions. To nearest tens, you need to do. Okay, can you see the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, try. There are 3 parts and give me answer.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Just finish first all, then we will.
Ma'am, can I tell? I have finished all.
Okay, just wait. Okay, Hriday, are you ready with the answers?
Ma'am, I have sent you for the first one. I'm sending you the second one.
Okay, okay. Samarth, what do you say for the first one?
Ma'am, it would be 12,100.
You are correct, and Hriday, you are also correct. Very good. Okay, what do you say, Samarth, for second one?
Ma'am, can you tell Hridik to send to you privately?
Okay, okay. Hriday, you are
Ma'am, now
sending
the answer for second one is 980.
980 is the correct answer.
And
Hriday, it's your turn now.
ma'am, 810.
810. Very good. So this is, you can see, rounding of the number to nearest 10. So now let's move to the next one, round of numbers to nearest 100.
I tell what we have to do here.
Yes.
And first write the question. Mom, can I tell? I've got the answer for all.
Just hold on. Let's Hriday tell the way. How should we
I
attempt?
joined.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Tanmay. Good
ma'am,
afternoon, Tanmay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. So you have joined late.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So see, Tanmay, we are doing rounding off of the number. You can see on the screen to the nearest 100. Okay. So let's see, Tanmay, if we want to do to nearest 100, so we have to observe tens place. So you can see if tens place is 5 or greater than 5, then 1 will be added to the next one. Like you can see the tens place is 8. So we will be adding 1 to hundreds place. So if I add 1, then 9 plus 1 is 10. So this becomes equal to 4000.
ma'am, this was my answer only.
Yes. So Tanmay, have you understood कि हमें
Yes,
nearest
ma'am.
100 तक कैसे जाना है?
Ma'am, can I
Yes,
tell the
ma'am.
next one?
Just a
Ma'am, can
minute.
I tell?
Ma'am, our syllabus come.
Your syllabus come. Okay, Tanmay. What is your syllabus?
Just tell. Of EVS and maths.
Okay, do tell me your syllabus. Hriday, that is correct. Second one.
Ma'am, in science, there is food. Where does it come from? Components of food in EVS. I mean, science. And maths, knowing our number, rule, whole number, rule, and divisibility.
Okay. And when is your test?
First,
First
From
exam.
July.
1 July. Ma'am, from 1 July.
Okay. So do your school have some assignment, or I should say anything like that? Any assignment, any PPTs?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can you just share it to me on the group? Is it possible?
Yeah.
Okay, because we can revise from there, and see, we do have very less time remaining for your test, so we can perform very well. So Tanmay or Hriday, the assignment or anything is right now available with you, then I can just do it. You can put it on
No,
my.
ma'am. It's not.
Okay, I think Tanmay has put it on the group. Is it, Tanmay?
I'm just sharing.
Okay.
Ma'am, today can we do this only?
Who is saying this?
With the
Hriday?
I'm shared.
Okay, Hriday, why I am saying this reason is that you can just have a look. Okay, what is being asked in your school? Okay, Tanmay, so what you have shared with me, so this all are what? Same thing or different?
Same thing.
Same thing.
Yes, ma'am. Rules of divisibility, whole number, knowing our number.
Acha, 4 assignments you have shared to me. Okay, okay, that's great. Just a minute. Okay, okay. So are you able to see my screen, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So,
ma'am. But
okay.
but
What but?
Yes, ma'am, but it is whiteboard.
yes,
Whiteboard.
ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay. Great. Thank you so much. So let me share it again. Okay, now are you able to see the
Yes,
paper?
ma'am. Now we can see Aisha's school assignment.
Yes. So let's discuss it quickly so that we can be like ahead of our school. What do you say?
Ma'am, I'm of DPS, not Aisha.
No problem, Samarth.
And ma'am, my maths marks have came. I got full marks.
Excellent. I should say very good, Samarth. This is whole.
And ma'am, they haven't told us the date of science. We only get 1 week to prepare.
Okay. So you are such a studious child, you need not to worry much. See, okay. So let's start with the first one. Find the face value of 9. So what is the face value of 9? Can anybody tell me?
Ma'am, Samar.
Just a wait. I asked this to Tanmay.
9.
9. Very good. So let's move to question number 2. Steffi saves 62,345 per month. Find her savings in 9 months. So how can you do this question?
Ma'am,
Hriday, Hriday, can you tell me how to do this question? Okay, no problem. Tanmay, do you know the answer? Do tell me. Tanmay,
Ma'am, first we have to write how many days in 9 months.
correct? Not required. See, the salary of Steffi is given per month. Per month means salary of Steffi for a month. Okay, Samat, do you want to explain?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell
Ma'am, it
me.
is written that we have to use distributive property.
Hmm.
And he, Steffi saves 62,345 per month. So if we multiply it by 10, then subtract 62,345, we would get the answer.
How?
Ma'am, if we multiply 62345 into 10, it would be her saving of 10 months. Then
Hmm.
we subtract the saving of 1 month, then we would get the saving of 9 months. And we
Excellent,
have
Samat.
also used the distributive property because we did 9 plus 1.
Very good, Samat. So saving of Steffi or salary of Steffi, whatever is the question, salary of Steffi is rupees 62,000. How much?
Mom,
62,300.
62,345.
Okay, 62,345. So we can do find the salary या saving जो भी बोलना चाहो saving of Steffi for 9 months. How can we find the saving of Steffi for 9 months? So let's say 62,345. If I just write in place of 9, if I write 10 minus 1. Okay, so this gets converted into distributive property. So what does it say? I have to multiply 62,345. I have to multiply it by 10. minus 62,345. So do the calculation. So 623,450
Mom, I did it.
minus 62345. Okay, Samarth. What is the answer? Just put it on the chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
And others also put it on the chat box.
Mom, I have sent the answer to you. Is that correct?
Hold on, I am just checking it up. Your answer is incorrect. Do it again. Do the subtraction, Tanmay. Samarth, you got your answer?
Ma'am, answer is 6. Nee. Ma'am, answer is 561105.
You are correct. So correct answer is
When I was speaking to you, you suddenly said to tell me.
you are not speaking. We are not able to hear you.
Mom, I was just reading the question and you suddenly said, okay, then you answer.
So if you are reading the question, just tell me that, ma'am, I am reading the question. Don't do it in your mind. Just say, ma'am, wait, I am just reading the question. Understood? Okay, so let's move to the next question. So final answer is 5 lakh.
Yes, ma'am, it was my mistake. I did the subtraction wrong.
Correct. So 5,61,105, and correct answer is given by Tanmay. Good, Tanmay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so let's proceed to question number 3. A dealer purchased 120 LCD television set. If the cost of each television set is 85,500, determine the cost of all sets together. Just raise your hand if you know the answer.
Ma'am, I have the explanation and answer both.
I need a statement also.
Okay, ma'am.
So I think Samarth has raised hand and I'm not finding any other hand raised. Is there any other hand? Anyone else who want to give me answer? Hirday. Okay, Hirday, are you ready with the statement also, Hirday? Yes, Hirday, go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you return the page?
Okay, return to the screen. Just hold on. I am returning to the screen. Okay, do tell me.
Ma'am, 1 second. Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait, Samarth, I have given this question number 3, Manan, we are doing. I have given this question number 3 to Hirday.
Ma'am, Manan hasn't joined.
Manan has disconnected, I think. उसने अभी, I allowed him to enter in the class.
Yes, ma'am. Now you can do. Yes, ma'am. Telling the statement. Television set dealer purchased is equals to 120 LCD.
No, no, no. What should you say? Cost of, what should be the statement? Hirday, cost of LCD television set.
Cost of one
Cost
LCD
of
set
LCD television set is equal to how much?
85500.
5?
85500.
Sorry, ma'am, my net was not working. What was happening in the class?
Okay. So we have started, Manan, with one question. See, it is going on the screen. So cost of LCD TV set is 85,500. Okay, now
Yes, ma'am. Now the cost the dealer purchase LCD is equals to 120.
number of LCD TV set purchased. Okay, this should be statement. It is equal to 120. Okay, then
So, ma'am, the cost of 120 LCD is equals to 855 into 120, and ma'am, the answer will come 10260000.
Ma'am, do we have to write this?
yes,
Ma'am, then 40,
1026.
then 40.
Ma'am, please wait, I'm writing.
Okay, Manan, I can wait.
Ma'am,
Yes, Samarth.
ma'am, I think the answer is wrong.
Let me check.
No, it's correct.
No answer is correct. I have checked.
Ma'am, but
Yes.
the answer can be, ma'am, first we do 855 into 2, which is 1710. And if we do 855 into 100,
10,
then
10, 10, 10, 10.
if I did 10 only,
Uh-huh.
then we would get 8550.
Mm-hmm.
And then, ma'am,
Now
if
add
we-
this to add.
And you will share notes on group also.
This I will be putting it on YouTube.
yes,
Do-
ma'am, I did not add them.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
Samarth.
YouTube, you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, I have not explained you how you need to see the YouTube channel, my YouTube channel, how you need to
Ma'am,
subscribe.
please share link.
Just a minute. I'm just sharing you how to do whole process.
If anyone has taken the screenshot of that link, they can send in the group.
Which link you are talking about, Samarth?
Your site link.
Just a minute. So let me show you the whole process, Samarth.
Okay, ma'am.
So the website address, my website address is www.leadreaddigital.com. Okay, so you can just write the address of my website, then you just enter. Okay, then this is my website, you can see.
Yeah.
Now on the topmost right corner,
Yeah, YouTube sign.
you can see a YouTube icon. Just click on it. When you click on, you will be asked to subscribe. Okay, there will be a red button where I am moving my, see, this is my view, so you are not able to see. Otherwise, you will be able to see our channel subscription box. So
Yeah.
I will be putting every of your lecture on it. So I'm just showing you, I have put how many for you. Just a minute.
Ma'am, do you put our lecture also?
Yeah, every of our lecture. So that if by any chance, like today, Manan joined late. So if he want to just revise the lecture,
Sir.
so let's move to question number 4. So Hriday's part is over. Hriday has told question number 3. So let's move to question number 4. How many lakhs makes a million? That is question number 4. Yes. So who want to answer? Just raise your hand. Raise your hands, everyone, so that I can choose. Manan.
Yeah. Can I tell?
Yeah.
Ma'am, a million, na? 1 million.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you tell please?
Million.
Speak again, Manan.
10 lakhs make 1 million.
10 lakhs make 1 million. You are absolutely correct. Excellent, Manan, for that.
Thank you, ma'am.
So let's move to the B part. How many thousands make a lakh?
How many thousands make a lakh?
Who want to speak? Just
Samar.
raise your hand. Raise your hand. I will be giving everyone turn. How many thousands are there in a lakh? So in lakh there are 5 zeros. In thousands there are 3 zeros. So how many thousands make a lakh?
Ma'am, Manan can tell, please.
Yes, Manan.
Ma'am, 100,000 make a lakh.
You are correct. So 100,000 makes a lakh. Tanmay, are you clear for this A and B part, or should I do it on the board? What
Ma'am,
do
do you know we had today's science test?
Okay,
can I tell the fifth one?
just hold on, Hriday. See, we are talking. Just allow us to talk. Okay, and concentrate what others are saying. Okay, Manan. So how was the test? I cannot hear you, Manan. You are saying there is a test.
Ma'am, should I share you the test? I was not able to understand a little bit.
Yeah. Please put it on the group.
Okay, I'm sharing.
Okay, so let's move to question number 5. I'm asking to Tanmay. Tanmay, are you able to understand question number 4? Can we proceed to 5?
Ma'am, I am sending the fifth answer.
Okay, so let's move to question number 5. The product of two whole number is 0. What do you conclude about the number? I got here the answer and that is correct. Let everyone put the answer on the chat box.
Okay, ma'am, we have to tell.
Ma'am, I have sent the answer.
It is correct. Okay, so Samarth, can you explain this question?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, if the answer of the product of two whole numbers is 0, then it is necessary for one of the numbers to be 0. Because a number into 0 is equal to 0 only.
You are absolutely correct. Very good. So one number should be necessarily be 0. So if one number is 0, then product will become 0. Okay. So you are correct, Manan. Manan, Samarth and Hriday have given the correct answer. So let's move quickly to question number 6. And you need to tell which property of whole number is used in the following equation.
Ma'am,
So,
I have sent off A.
okay, so please send it to me on the chat box. And Hriday, you are correct, but the name is incomplete. Please complete it.
Ma'am, it is of multiplication.
You are correct. So the first property, everyone send it. I am waiting for your answers.
Ma'am, I'm writing also. So should I send you?
Okay, please send it.
Ma'am, I don't understand what to do.
Mama, I've sent the answer.
Oh, I did not receive Samarth.
Mom, can I tell here only?
You have not sent it to me. Please send it
Mama,
to me.
send it. Let me resend it.
Just a minute. Let me check what is wrong. I got the answers from Hirday. Hirday second is wrong.
Okay.
First is right. Samarth, I did not receive your answer, so let me check the setting for you. Just a minute. Hold on. No, Samarth, I did not receive. I'm just breaking this meeting and connecting again.
Ma'am, have we recorded this meeting?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.